If you're not sure which college is right for you, don't worry. Learning Roots is here to solve all your queries and problems. तैयारी कर लो लाइफटाइम जर्नी के लिए. Say bye-bye to boring classrooms. Symbiosis Education is now offering virtual learning programs. हाँ, बिल्कुल सही सुन रहे हैं आप. If you're looking for a standard education for yourself, Symbiosis Online MBA is here for you. जिसे आप कहीं भी बैठकर कर सकते हैं. चलिए अब इसकी डिटेल्स पे जाते हैं. Online MBA from Symbiosis is a 2-year long degree program जिसे आप किसी भी शहर में बैठकर कर सकते हैं. Coming on to the specializations, Symbiosis offers a range of specializations: Agricultural Operation Management, Human Resource Management, Business Analytics, Finance and Operations, Hospital and Healthcare Management. You can choose the specialization that matches your talent and interest. MBA courses conducted semester wise. इसका मतलब है टोटल 4 सेमेस्टर होंगे 2 साल के MBA प्रोग्राम. Talking about the fee for this course for national and international students, it ranges from 1,50,000, but it also depends upon the specialization that you choose. Symbiosis Schools for Online and Digital Learning (SSODL), regarded as one of the top organizations. It provides a top-notch online MBA program. And the best part is, the online degrees from Symbiosis are equally credible and valuable as offline degrees. UGC has rewarded the university with a Category 1 status and NAC has given it an A++. And also, Symbiosis ranked as one of the best distance education providers in India by various organizations. It has secured 17th rank in NRIF Rankings 2024. Symbiosis ensures that students receive a standard of education that meets global benchmarks. Eligibility की टेंशन मत लो. You just need graduation with 50% marks and 40% for ST and SCs. Exams drive शुरू होती है अप्रैल और अक्टूबर में, and the examination method is also online. They provide live teacher-student lectures and interactions and 24/7 access to learning management systems. Best option है खुद को upgrade करने का while doing some other important work. You can improve your skills and personality while doing MBA because the mode of instruction and teaching is in English. Talking more about Symbiosis, this online degree offers standard education that is highly regarded among hiring companies. Not only this, they provide placement assistance for distance learning, like in big companies TCS, Tata Sky, HDFC Bank, Wipro, Reliance Retails, and many more. If you want more information, go to Learning Roots official website. Thanks for watching and do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more such educational content.